Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with some more Stampin' Scrapbook Expo that was here in Mesa, Arizona around the 15th of September. Sorry. And so I'm sharing the other class that I took. I will leave a link to my previous video showing you the card swap that I was involved in. And then this was the second class I took. It was skin and hair coloring with alcohol markers. It was taught by Sean from Scrappy Boy Stamps. Sorry, I just whacked the table. And the class was about $49-ish. And it came with the 6 COPIC markers that we used in the class. And it was these colors here. They are, you know, earth tone colors mostly. And then we also got a stamp set. Sorry, I dropped that pretty hard, huh? So we also got a stamp set here that we could stamp out my favorite people and practice coloring. So it even had the stamp for skin, hair, and then like a color combo. And so I used this, actually, I stamped it out on a Xerox copy type of paper and put my special paper in the copy machine, and I printed them out a few times so I can practice. And so this was my first practice. And as you can see, I've got a lot. I've made a few of these sheets so I can keep practicing, but it gets kind of, well, I get bored just because it's like the browns. Like, come on, I'm ready to move on, but my coloring skills are not ready to move on. I am, but my skills are not. So I still need more practice. And then I made sure to jot down the colors that I use, you know, so in the future I will know. But yeah, so this will come in handy to keep practicing. So yeah, that's what we got. You know, a 6-pack of these is close to $49 itself. I think I've seen them for like $35 maybe. $35. And then we got a stamp set, which is probably another $10 at the minimum, so that's 45 bucks right there. So that's why I thought this class was well worth taking. And so if you do have a chance and you're interested in getting started in coloring and shading and those types of things, I would say this is a perfect class to go to. Sean's very patient, he's thorough, and you know, he sits there and works with you. He'll give you feedback. So I was very, very happy with the class. Thank you so much, Sean. Not like he watches my channel, but thank you for getting me on this journey. You don't know, I've been wanting to do this, but it's very intimidating. And there are lots of classes, don't get me wrong, on YouTube, but I'm a more in-person type of person. I get more motivation from in person than I do online. So first he went over, you know, just shading this that we practice, the way we hold the pen, and that kind of stuff. Then we, you know, practice the flicking, and then you know, up flicking, down flicking. And then we had these faces that we could start practicing on with the hair and the face tones. So those were my practices. And so fun. I'm so proud how they came out. Like, I'm amazed that I can do this. OMG. So if I can do this, I think anybody can. And it's like, it looks better in the camera than it does in person. Because even when I took pictures, it looked better in the pictures than it does, you know, in person. I can see a lot of blotting, which I just need to blend out, to learn to blend it out better. I just feel like when you go over an area a lot with ink, it'll deteriorate the paper, but I have to remember this is good paper. I'm not going to do that. So I just need to relearn some things. But yeah, so this was Scrappy Boy Stamps, skin and hair coloring with alcohol markers. So we also got a handy dandy information sheet. So the paper that I am using is Sweet Sentiments Premium Color Paper. It does have a little sparkle in it. I'm not sure if the camera, probably not. It doesn't pick it up. But there is a little sparkle, but it's only kind of if you look for it. I don't see it. I forget about it. So this is by far his favorite paper. I've liked using it so far. Otherwise, I've just used regular cardstock. I've never tried any other type of fancy paper. The inks, of course, you always need to stamp with Memento. Well, not with, well, the suggestion is to always stamp with Memento Tuxedo Black because the alcohol will not cause that ink to bleed. And it's just because of the pigment versus dye versus hybrid, I think. I don't know. But there's two type of markers now for COPIC. There's the Chow and the Sketch. The only difference is the Chow holds less ink than the Sketch. They're also cheaper. And if you don't know where I get my COPICs from, it is Cozy Scrapbooks. I'm sorry, Cozy Scrapbooking. And they have helped me accumulate a good number of pens. And the reason is because they're so cheap there. They're only, okay, so the Sketch pens are $4 there, and the Chow pens are only $3. So every time I go, I get 10 pens at a time because they do offer free shipping over $25, I want to say. If you order over $25, it is free shipping. Like, what? So I always get my pens from them. I will leave their link in my description box below. I want to say it's cozyscrapbooking.com. But look in the link. That's where it'll be. And actually, I just got 10 new markers from them yesterday. They were in the mail. And guess what? Last night I get an email from them that they are having a sale. So right now it is, today is September 23rd. I am going to upload this video. Let me see when the sale ends. That'll I might need to upload it today so you can see the sale longer. But it just adds 10% on top of their already good prices. So to me, it's well worth it. It is Cozy's Scrapbooking. So Cozy's like possessive S, Scrapbooking. And then let me just see when this sale ends. It might not tell me because on their website, because they might not want to, I don't know. Well, if I find out, I will leave it in the link below. But I will upload this today because I do feel like it's just for a couple of days. And it is free delivery for $25 or more, US shipping only. But yeah, so 10% off more. So I had to order another 10 pens because, you know, that's less than $3. Well, it's going to be less than $3.50. It's going to be like $3.20, something like that. A pen. Like, do you believe that? $3.20 a pen. Okay, hurry, go check them out. But I will leave the link in my description box below. So yeah, I need to color in my little chart so I can update it. I only put these ones that I got from the class in it. What else? He also suggested, okay, so these were people you can watch that he learned from. He likes them. Kit and Clowder. I did go on their website. I've read information. I printed out some information. These I got from Kit and Clowder's website. And they're free printables that they have there, so you can practice and, you know, make your coloring and note what colors you used. And then the other one is Stamp Annie Thing. Annie and a girl thing. Stamp Annie Thing. They have a Facebook group. He's learned lots from her. And then, of course, he has his own Facebook group. But anyway, so Kit and Clowder, I've been on her website. She has free classes, but they also have a paid subscription where she will personally give you tips and tricks. You take a picture of your project, you can send it to her, and she will just send feedback only to you, personally to you. I think that's a great deal if you are wanting to, you know, take your coloring skills further. But that's all the information I have on this class. This was a good class, like I said. So stay tuned for my next videos at the Scrapbook Expo. I think it's just, I'm gonna share the Mega Make and Take and what we got, the projects we did or received to do. And then yeah, so hope you guys are having a crafty day. Hope you guys are enjoying this Scrapbook Expo series. And for more videos like these, see here. Until my next video, shakas.